When working with drawings of configured assemblies, create multiple sheets to convey different design parameters for each configuration. The foam insert for this assembly is available in different styles. A drawing with multiple sheets and bill of materials is used to convey the available options. A drawing is created with an initial view referencing the insert's solid configuration. A bill of materials referencing this configuration is added. Callouts are placed with the part number property added to each callout. Part number is a configured property and changes based on the configuration selected. The previous steps are repeated to create additional sheets for the remaining configurations: laptop, mouse, and laptop with mouse. Each sheet contains a configuration-specific drawing view, bill of materials, and callouts. The properties part number and description are configured properties and update based on configuration selected.